In this video, we will see how to record a voiceover on Canva. So let's see the steps. Open a blank video page. Click on Elements. In the search box, search for some text like nature. Now click on Videos. Let's select this video. Right click and set video as background. Click on Uploads. Now click on Record Yourself. Here you have two options, record voiceover or generate AI voice. Now let's click on record voiceover. Now click on record button. Here you can record your voice. You can record your voice whatever you want to record. You can click on pause to pause the recording. Again you can resume. It will be added as separate file. You can see here. Now you can click on finish and it will be separately added as audio file. You can check that when you click on uploads, and here you can see both the audio files. Similarly, let's try with generate AI voice. Again, click on generate AI voice and you can select any of the character from here and add the text in the above box, and when you click it will record the voice of that selected character. In this way you can record your voice. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel.